Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to connect to a Bluetooth device on this laptop. First, tap on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, to enable Bluetooth, click on this icon, and then to connect to a device, click on this arrow button next to Bluetooth icon. Then put your device into pairing mode. Now I cannot tell you how to put your device into pairing mode because each device has its own settings. So if you want to know how to put your device into pairing mode, make sure that you read the manual. And once you put your device in the pairing mode, you'll be able to see it on the list. Click on it to connect. And once you're connected to your device, you'll be able to freely use it. Now, if you go to more Bluetooth settings right here, then you'll be able to see your device on the list. And to disconnect, right-click, click on three dot icon in the top right corner, and click disconnect. And if you want to remove the device completely, click three icons in the top right corner and click remove device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.